Well, here's a quick one. I've got a sink here, and it's got the 3 holes in it. Now, it's made to accept some normal taps and a spout coming out. But I wanted to use this one. This is something that I've had for a while, scrapped it out of something. It's got a nice, I can pull that out. It's got 3 lines in it, and because it's like this, it's got 1.5 inch threaded area here. Well, this is only 1 inch. And it's 3 holes, it's pre-drilled. How do I drill that? Well, I'm going to use a hole saw, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. This is the plate, and it's kind of hard to thread through this through here, but these would all be threaded through, and that's the plate. Well, it's not going to be perfect because I have a choice of 3 holes, or I could drill a hole somewhere else. Normally, people would put it in the middle, but that means this part and this part are both compromised. Why don't I just move it over here and just compromise the one side and have this side full? I'll do that. But still, that's 1.5 inch hole, and this is 1 inch. So what do? You can't use a hole saw like this normally because, well, it's got these guide bolts, and it's just hard to hold in place. I think a standard way would be to take a hole saw, the right one, and make a guide. This is too big. But make a guide, you clamp it down, and that guide holds this from scooting all around like this. I've got another idea. This hole saw is actually bigger than that hole there. But that's the plug that it makes. It makes this plug here. And if that plug fits in there, that's a guide. I can do this. And that'll be my guide to keep it from scooting all around. I think that'll work. Let's try that. Okay, that didn't work too good. Let's do something else. I'm going to try a different kind of a plug. I'll take a 2x4 and I'll cut halfway through. That'll be that size plug. And I'll take the other side. The pilot hole will be there. I'll come in from this way and make the plug that'll stick in there. See how that works. This keeps wanting to retract up inside, so I'm going to just use some other plugs, just spacers. There. Now it doesn't go up. It works. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thumbs up if you think about it. Thank you.